This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, March the 7th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model run. This is at noon today. We have a ridge over the middle part of the country with the trough over the west, another over the east with a couple of pieces of energy there. But around our neck of the woods, it'll be fairly calm, sunny, with a few passing clouds and highs in the 30s to lower 40s, with winds turning southerly during the day. Could be a little breezy, especially in the western counties. Friday will be a little bit warmer in most of the state. Highs upper 30s, especially in snowpacked areas, to the 40s to maybe near 50 in the southwestern counties with plenty of sunshine, but increasing clouds come because on Saturday here comes the rain. And it looks like during the day it'll be all rain, but possibly in the morning there could be some freezing rain. Otherwise, mainly rain, could be moderate at times Saturday. Then Sunday the cold air comes back in, so it could change it over to some light snow. Some accumulations are possible, maybe an inch or two, but we'd have more specifics on that as we draw closer to the weekend. And then Monday, that storm moves off. Another low forms in the Ohio Valley, but that should only bring a few clouds over the southeastern counties. Highs Monday will likely be in the 30s, maybe a few upper 20s. Tuesday, we moderate slightly, at least 30s statewide, maybe lower 40s in the south and west. A disturbance moving through Minnesota and into northern Wisconsin will bring maybe a few more clouds around. Then we head to Wednesday. We have some snow over the Great Lakes. We have a few sprinkles possible, especially in the northwestern counties, that could filter through here during the day, Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night especially. And then a week from today, we have a ridge over us again. We have a trough and an upper level feature over the Canadian Maritimes. But with this pattern with the ridge, that's going to keep us quite mild, with most of the storm systems now well off to our north, and pretty much just the northeast, the northwest will be stormy, and the rest of the country will be dry and fairly warm, especially in the southwest. A couple days after that, on the 18th, we have a trough axis coming through, some energy diving into New Mexico, some more energy over the north and west, ridge over the east, and with this pattern, that's going to set up a big storm. If this is right, there would be a low pressure center between Minneapolis and Sioux City, warm air streaming in, so we could see some rain showers, maybe a thunderstorm, snow on the backside in the Dakotas. And then at the end of the forecast, on the 22nd, we have another piece of energy moving through, a ridge over the west, a ridge over the south and east, especially Florida, and then the energy, as I said, in the middle. And with that, that could bring a big storm system, a low pressure near Toledo, and that could bring some snow around here. So even though spring is, by that point, will be here, it still could be quite wintry. The satellite image from last evening, we had the storm system off the east coast. You can see the cloudiness extending into southern New England. We had some cloudiness also across the north and west, and a little bit of cloudiness across the south. The watch warning map from last evening, a few winter weather issues over New England. Freeze warning continues in Georgia. Some winter weather issues in Colorado and into the southern California mountains, in fact. Elsewhere, it's looking fairly quiet. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock at that point. You can see rainfall amounts with this next system going to be quite significant, maybe upwards of 1.5 inches of rain possible.